Hello everybody, this is King Tut here and welcome to another dive-in video. Now in this video, well, because Internet Explorer has died off, why not we commemorate Internet Explorer with the next worst thing, Edge. Honestly, I wanted to do a dive-in video for Internet Explorer and it happened that it's not on Windows 11 and unfortunately, I cannot download it from the internet. So, or neither I could actually download it from Microsoft. So it's unfortunate. But I'm just gonna do Edge instead, since they have Internet Explorer features built into it recently. So, what is Edge? Edge is basically Windows. How do I say it? It's basically an internet built into Microsoft. It's basically a replacement of Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer was the first Microsoft browser, and then you have Edge. Edge was made in Windows 10. So it all started in Windows 10 and it continued till now. Internet Explorer started in Windows 95 and then it ended at Windows 11. So, a moment of silence for Internet Explorer. Okay, the moment of silence finished. I mean, it's very short, but honestly, who uses Internet Explorer? Let's be real. so, um, so Edge, at first, let's look at the older version of Edge. So let's look at old Edge browser. Or actually, let's do old Edge versus new Edge. That's much better. It's in Microsoft Bing, of course, because Bing is owned by Microsoft. So if you look at the icon right there, that was the old Edge icon. Now it's the new Edge icon. Trying to be like Chrome in its own way. Also, let's look at the window. Let's look at the interface. So that's weird. Okay, I guess that's the old Edge, the one in front of it, and that's the new Edge. Let me get a better picture. Yeah. Let me make sure that's no. I don't even know which one is which. Also, I wouldn't recommend Bing search. They're lousy. I think that might be it. I think the left one is the new one and the right one is the old one, or maybe it might be the other way. Let's look at old Edge browser. You know what? Let's just search for old Edge browser. I think that might be it. I think that's an old Edge browser. It kind of looks Windows 8.1-ish with like Windows 10 functionalities on it or something like that, like on a window, on a like Windows 95 flat stuff. I just it just looks so bad. And then when you have the new Edge, this is what it looks like. It looks much nicer. And let me just first of all log myself out. Actually, it doesn't do that. Yeah, let's sign out. Almost looked at a face reveal. You think you're gonna see a face reveal, don't ya? Subscribe to my channel. If we get 1,000 subscribers, maybe I'll do a face reveal. Alright, so when I click on new tabs, that's what you get. It's basically kind of like Internet Explorer-ish, except it's much more streamlined. And the old Edge has similar, except it's more flat. This one has like rounded edges and stuff. So you see here, yep. Keep on scrolling down and you mindlessly doom scroll until you hit rock bottom. You won't hit rock bottom. I'm pretty sure you're going to be bored of it anyway, so it's an interesting recommendation. You have, of course, you have MSN. So let's open that link in a new tab. You have Office. Of course, you're going to have Amazon Assist. I mean, who doesn't have Amazon Assist? And then it's next door neighbor, eBay. And then you have Lowe's, which is interesting. I didn't know Microsoft would choose Lowe's over Home Depot. But actually, not just Home Depot, Home Goods as well. But to each its own preference, there it is. Then you have Bing, of course, Microsoft favorite search engine because it's owned by Microsoft. And then you have Wayfair, which is interesting. QVC, which I don't even know who watches QVC anymore. Let me know in the comments if you watch QVC. And then you have Disney Plus, which I don't know what to say. I'd expect Netflix, but I don't know how Disney Plus got here. And then you could actually add a site, I guess. And let's just call it Google. Microsoft's arch nemesis. I'm pretty sure they're working together and having fun. Wait, did I add a website? I put google.com. And then I press add. What happened? Okay, let's refresh. Let's see. And they don't show it. Well, luckily for me, I could actually... Can I delete it? Can I delete it? Come on. There it is. Very unresponsive. Remove Kohl's. That's interesting. And then you have Nordstrom. Wait, was it basically the stuff that I've been looking at in Internet Edge? See what I did there. No, not Zappos. I don't want to go in there. And the loading stinks. Just like its predecessor. Oh, jeez. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why am I getting random tabs. I don't even know. Oh, so content visible. Just headings only. Let's see if I can just only want it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's much better than looking at news. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? This is why Firefox or Brave. This is why. Don't even bother using Chrome. Just either Firefox or Brave if you value your privacy. Alright, so let's just go to Google. And you know, Internet Edge. I'm just gonna call it Internet Edge from now on because I'm so used to saying Internet Explorer, and since Edge came out and they killed off Internet Explorer, I'm just gonna call it Internet Edge. You know what? Because just to keep the Microsoft flavor going, just to keep it, just to say that Edge is part of Microsoft and none others. It's not Microsoft Edge, it's Microsoft Internet Edge. All right, so let's see. Most of the trending search that I don't really, doesn't really bother me. Let's just search for, I don't know. Let me think of something I should search. King Tut, as in YouTube tutorial. There. Okay, that's not what I want. It's a bit humiliating. Okay, how about... Oh. Maybe how to install Linux on Chromebook. And it's literally showing it on the search result. And the first thing in the search result, support.google. Wow. I bet Google really disliked themselves. I know, I've been poking fun at Google and Microsoft Edge while I'm basically exploring Microsoft Edge, but I mean, anything that is made by Microsoft, except possibly Office, is just not that great. Also, except Windows Media Player. That's always good. And I even know about Windows Movie Maker. I never used it before. So Ubuntu on Chromebook. Oh wow, they're very fast. It's not very slow like Internet Explorer. Let's see if it's possible for me to put it on Internet Explorer mode, because that's a feature. That's a feature on Edge. Explorer. And if you're and if you're wondering if this is just only from the recording view side, sure, but my computer's fan is like wild. Wait, Explorer. There it is. There it is. Show the internet. Turn on. Allow sites to be reloaded into Internet Explorer. Okay, default, allow, and I'm gonna restart. Microsoft Edge has been updated. Choose a web browser that puts you first. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry about that. Oh, so you're not giving me an Microsoft is the best browser for gamers. Yeah, I could see that. Shop and save with Microsoft Edge. So basically, Microsoft itself has its own unfair competition. Oh wow. Yeah, let's shop with Microsoft Edge and not worry about, Honey or any other add-ons like Honey. No, it's not sponsored. Just don't skip this video. All right? There's no sponsor for this video. I'm not doing sponsors. Anyway, So shop and save. I don't know why Microsoft Edge has its own like money saver. Startup Boost makes your browser start up quicker. What does that even mean? Startup Boost make your browser start up quicker? Oh, so it's a feature? A feature? Okay, Startup Boost significantly reduces the time it takes to open the browser after a device reboot or reopening the browser. Just enable Startup Boost in the browser settings menu to get started. I will not be using Microsoft Edge, so it's irrelevant to me. The future of Internet Explorer is in Microsoft Edge. Honestly, at this point, I wish they would stick with Internet Explorer and just make it better. Just use Chromium, just Internet Chromium Explorer. I don't know what to say. I mean, why bother using Internet Explorer theme or Explorer mode? Keep your tabs organized. Which, yeah, I actually like that. But I think also Firefox and Brave has something similar to that. They're way ahead of the curve. Edge, find something new. Input your data, or data, whatever you like to pronounce. Get Microsoft Edge for mobile, which I'm not getting, and discover more features. Explore some tips. Okay, so enough wasting time browsing at Microsoft Edge. Let's just look at their feature. So they have read aloud this page. What does it read aloud? What does it?
Microsoft Edge features and tips. Discover new features and helpful tips to get the best experience out of Microsoft Edge. Editor's picks. Performance.
Okay, so that's what it does, I guess. It basically just reads all these words out loud in a very robotic voice. Oh, there's voice option. Oh, let's do fast. Well, let's just put it to fast and choose a voice, Microsoft. Oh, interesting. There's different languages. I don't know if I. You know what? Let's do fast first, and then I'm gonna put this in Germany. All right. I'm gonna put this in German. All right. All right. So.
You get all of Microsoft Edge performance, compatibility, and speed to make browsing the web even more effortless.
Much better.
Microsoft Edge has a new look. Move your favorites over quickly. Stay in sync. Customize with extensions.
All right. That's enough. All right. Let's do it in German. Let's see if I could. There's a way I could actually start over. Yes, German from the actual German dialect. Help make search better for you. Got it. Okay. How do I? Yeah, I want to start over. Oh, let's make it normal. Normal speed. Okay, let's see.
Microsoft Edge features und Tipps. Discover new features and helpful tips to get the best experience out of Microsoft Edge.
Oh.
Editor's picks. Und Tipps.
Oh wait.
Discover new features. Off Microsoft Edge features und Tipps.
Oh, so I just basically select it and it just basically goes to that, you know, it basically says the word based off of where you click it. That's cool. And I'm surprised it's not in German. I actually thought it's gonna be in German, but it's actually with the German accents, which, okay, that's understandable. Okay, let's make it, let's put it back to, yeah. Alright, let's close out of voice assist. So that's pretty neat. And let's add this page to favorites. You could either put it on favorites bar, or I mean, you could also sync. You can sign it to sync data, so when you put this in your favorite bar, it gets synced all over phones where you use Edge browser in. If that makes sense to you. Alright. And then basically you could put like add-ons just like anything else, just like any browser like Firefox. I think you click on extensions and then you go to manage extensions and then you go to the Microsoft Store. Get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Okay, so they basically have the add-ons for the browser. I don't know if they have it in Windows Store. Let's see, Windows Store. Oh boy, any day now in Windows Store. This wouldn't have happened if this is Linux. Apps. Okay, let's look at GE or whatever that thing is. Quick Assist. Okay. Second design space. Oh. Let's close that out. Because I am not doing a dive in on the store. And I guess I guess they don't have any. I guess it's this whole what's it called? The extensions is not inside the store. So I guess you could go to themes. Let's see what there is in themes. Of course, Halo. Basically, the very game that Microsoft hails from Halo. Bunch of Halos. There's Galaxies. There's colorful emotions. There's the Mist. Let's just do the Mist. Let's see what it looks like. Let's add theme. And oh boy. Any day now, Microsoft. And oh, okay, I thought nothing's gonna happen. Okay. What is it supposed to do? Oh, just change those kind of theme, and then if I were to click new tab, just this ship. And the resolution is not that great. I've seen better. Alright, so let's go back to getting extension for Edge. Let's see what else. Oh, so I recommend people to use uBlock if you are browsing the web. So that way you don't end up, you don't end up getting a bunch of ads which is even far worse than having a browser that takes up a lot of memory. So you want to save some memory as much as possible. You don't want to crash the browser with a bunch of ads. Oh, there's NordVPN. There's Elder Scroll. There's Adobe Acrobat PDF Edit, Convert, and Sign, which there's a website for that. There's Microsoft Outlook. There's Microsoft Editor. You know, basically Microsoft pushing its product first, even though the newest is being pushed first. Way before Microsoft is being pushed. Rising Stars, Dark Reader. Enablement Assistant. I have no idea what it means. Alright. Alright. Notepad extension. Tascade. Team task, notes, and video chat. That's cool. Tab with a view. What is that? Okay. I don't know. I have no idea. Is it? Oh, I think that's what you do with a new tab, I guess. Oh, that's interesting. That's very, very cool. Fortunately, I won't be using Internet Edge. New tab draft. And then there's Boomerang for Gmail. I thought Gmail has stuff for you to organize. I don't know. Tascade. I don't know anything about Tascade. Might as well look into it. Kami for Microsoft Edge. Checker Plus for Google Calendar. And there's WebMath Geo. 1 star. Okay. Pocket Tube. That's cool. Alright. So let's see what else. There's collections, which I don't have any. So let's see, how do I add it to collections? Add all tabs to collection. Let's put it in under King Tut. Okay. Let's put Ubuntu. Let's add all tabs. Let's, add all tabs to collection. Or let's start a new collection. I think this thing is broken. Okay, this is broken. And then you have the profile. So if you want to browse as guest, feel free to do so. It's like basically incognito. Oh no, there's in private. So basically in private is the Microsoft's version of private mode in Firefox and incognito mode in Chrome. So if you want to browse privately, go ahead and do so. And then there's zoom. So basically zoom in, zoom out, and then you could make it full screen. And yeah, I dislike that. Why? I want the top part, like when I move my mouse up. Oh. Okay, my bad, Microsoft. Okay, no need to be very aggressive with the animation. Alright, that I did not know. Okay, I thought it's gonna be another Google Chrome, like F11, press F11, it's full screen, it's not gonna get you these ones, not gonna get you the top part. And luckily Edge has that. Good on you, Edge. At least you're a bit better than Chrome. Alright, already looked at, let's look at favorite actually. I didn't look at favorite in depth. So you have favorites bar, and then you have add this page of favorites, you have add folder, you have opens favorite page. I think I already did that. Can I do that? Oh. Let's exit full screen, and then, yeah, that's really cool. Then you have the history. Yeah, pretty much. Just history, stuff you've browsed before. And then you have downloads. Firefox installer exe with a strike through. Probably I deleted it from the downloads folder. You have apps, manage apps. And I guess website that could act as apps. I have no idea. And then you have games. Unfortunately, they don't have built-in games. I don't think so. Oh, probably they do. Alright. Alright. They have board games. Alright. So they have basically Deal or No Deal. Arcade. Arcade. Okay. Yeah, not that much. Probably Battleship, that's the one I would like to play. Match 3. Then you have cards. Then you have word games. There's no word search, but crossword puzzle. Who doesn't like that? There's strategy games, which also Deal and No Deal is under. There's no chess games, which, okay. And there's recommended for you. Yeah, that's not that much options. Microsoft Rewards. So Microsoft Rewards is basically, it's basically your reward point. Get enough rewards, you redeem gift cards and a chance to win an Xbox, which you'll never even. I mean, don't bother, unless you wanna like YOLO it. Go ahead. And then there's performance. Let's look at the performance of this. Basically, performance of the browser and the laptop itself. I don't know. Alerts and tips. Okay. And then you have print, web capture, find on page. We went through read out loud. There's more tools. Save page as. You can cast this to a television, a smart TV. And you have math solver. Yeah, that's interesting. And you have cite this. What do they use? EasyBib or their own kind of site program? There's launch taskbar, pinning wizard. There's launch edge bar. Then you have browser task manager. Then you have developer tools, which let's look at developer tools for now. I guess it doesn't want to do so. Let's go back. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Guess that's broken as well. And then you have what it's called, close Microsoft. Oh. Now you have Dev Tools, finally. Thought it's gonna be broken. It just shows you all, like, the programming, basically the codes and stuff. Which I don't know how to tinker it, so I won't be tinkering it. Let's go to settings. And let's go to, yeah, you have all these like profiles, settings. You have privacy search. You have either like how private you want your browser. But let's be real. Do we really trust Microsoft Edge? Let's look at appearance. Oh, that's one of the things I like Microsoft Edge. You can make it color. You can make this whole thing colored. So let's say I want to make spicy red. Right there, it's all spicy red. Nice and red. Customize toolbar, extensions button, and customize browser, font size. Then you have what is called the start home and new tabs. Then you have share, copy, and paste. I don't know what that means. Some paste destination doesn't support all paste options. Oh, basically you're given paste options. Okay. Cookies and site permission. Then you were, oh, so basically it lists all the things that you're given permission for different websites. So let's just say notification. So each time you go to different websites that makes use of notification, it's going to ask you whether or not you want notification, because it's put at ask first by default. Then you have the default browser, which I won't even make it as default. Then you have the downloads option. You could save your files into whatever location. Or you could ask what to do with each download. And then you have family. If you want to make the browser family friendly. And then you have Edge Bar, which I don't know what that means. Automatically open Edge Bar. Oh, that thing? Yeah, I'm not interested in it. And then there's languages. You can actually change from English to whatever language of your choice. And then you have printers. You can manage printers. And then you have system and performance. Fade sleeping tabs and stuff like that. Optimize it, startup boost. I don't know if the startup boost is going to take more memory. There's reset settings. There's phone and other devices. You could set up your phone on. You could set up Edge on your phone, and then there's accessibility. And then you have about Microsoft Edge, which shows you the version number and tells you it's up to date. And then it's telling you, so if you're interested in Microsoft Edge Insider or Microsoft Internet Edge Insider, you could have these kind of, you could do so, and you get all these like features and perks. So basically I exhaust every part of Edge. Oh, and there's a home button, of course. Every browser needs to have a home button. I don't think Firefox has it. I had to put a home button on it. And Chrome doesn't have it, so I have to put a home button on it either, too. So I think that's pretty much it. I think that's Edge. As you see it, commemorating the death of Internet Explorer. Rest in peace, Internet Explorer. You shall not be remembered. And I will definitely not use Microsoft Edge, unless if I have to download a browser from it on a clean, fresh installed computer. So thank you so much for watching, and if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And also, if you're on Odyssey, you could press that fire button and also comment down below. And be sure to subscribe if you're on YouTube, or follow on on Odyssey, and click the notification bell on either of them, so when I release new videos, you get notified. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.